In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your MacBook Air without a password or Apple ID.
All you want to do firstly is hold down your power button and just wait until your MacBook completely turns off. So just keep it held down until your screen just goes completely black, like so. And now what you want to do is go ahead and hold down your power button again and just keep it held down. You're going to see this and it's going to say continue holding for startup options. So go ahead and keep it held, and now it's going to say load up starting options. So then now I can just let go of it and then just wait for the startup options to appear. Now it's going to look something like this. You're going to see your drive and you're going to see options. So just go ahead and click on options and then click continue like so, and then it's just going to be loading. It's going to then say select a user you know the password for, but I want to press forgot all passwords like so. Then it's just going to go into the little recovery mode and it's just going to be loading everything. So you just got to go ahead and wait for this. It's going to say this Mac is linked to an Apple account. Sign into the account that was previously used with this Mac. So just go ahead and do that. Now, if you don't remember your password, what you could also do is press the forgotten password section, and then it's going to be loading this little thing right here. And then you just got to wait like a minute or so while this loads. It's going to be like looking for options that it can give you. But the most common option that it's going to go ahead and give you is this one, where it says, if you've forgotten your password, enter your email address or phone number that you use with your account to continue. So you're going to need one of these options. Just go ahead and input that. You're then going to get a text message or an email to reset your password. And then once you do, you're going to be able to reset your PIN with that.